Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here. Today I'm going to talk all about computer vision. So hey there, future AI visionaries, ready to give machines a set of eyes? Let's zoom into computer vision faster than you can say cheese. Okay, here we go. This is meant to be a robot and it has oversized eyes. I'm not sure if you can see that. So, computer vision is like giving AI a pair of superpowered eyeballs. It's how machines go from 404 image not found to I spy with my little eye. So, let's move across here. Here we have image processing and output. So, this is the flow chart of a computer vision recipe. So we feed it images or video. AI then does the magic, i.e., using complex algorithms to understand what it's seeing, and out pops its knowledge of what it has seen. Maybe it's a cat, maybe it's a dog. So we have different ways that computer vision can see things. We can detect objects. Is that a hot dog or not? We can recognize faces. Hey, that's Uncle Bob. We can read text. That's also called optical character recognition, OCR magic, I like to call it. And then finally, we can understand scenes. So we can look at a picture and look at it and say, this is definitely not a Model 3, a Tesla Model 3. Yes. Down here, believe it or not, this is actually a fridge. I did say I wasn't the best sketch artist in the world. So analogy time, computer vision is like having a fridge with eyes. It sees you approaching at 2 a.m., judges your ice cream addiction, but still opens up because, hey, that's its job and serves you ice cream automatically. Amazon Recognition is the service that we can use for computer vision in AWS. It's like having an army of eyeballs working 24/7. Face recognition, object detection, or text in an image. It's got more tricks than a magician's hat. And then finally, our case study, NFL uses Amazon Recognition to help content creation teams find and use marketing visuals in campaigns. So by using something called custom labels, it's able to automatically generate metadata tags that allow particular users to find that content for specific use cases. Things like promoting an event using relevant and real visual assets. So Wally the whiteboard now can go down. Let's finish this up with some exam eye-openers. So for the exam, no key computer vision tasks, detection, recognition, OCR, optical character recognition. Understand basic computer vision workflow. Remember the AWS recognition basic capabilities, and don't be afraid to dive a little bit deeper into the documentation and recognize real-world computer vision applications. Congratulations! You've just given the AI the gift of sight. That 900 score is looking crystal clear. So, if this video was a sight for sore eyes, you see what I did there? Don't let your appreciation go unseen. Hit that like and subscribe button faster than the computer can recognize a cat meme. See you all in the next AI spectacle. This is Digital Colmer signing off.